G'day guys, welcome back. Here's a 1974 Kenworth W924AR with a Detroit diesel 12V71 naturally aspirated V12. Everything is backwards on these engines. Air conditioning compressors driven backwards.
I don't think it's been done recently with the fucking
Compressor and alternator backwards. So that's one trailer. This is the other trailer of the road train combination. This is the other trailer of that combination. This is a Federal Styliner 2902, petrol powered, with a Ampol fuel tanker on it. Spread axle McGraw high tensile trailer on it.